welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul video for you guys. You guys seem to be enjoying my fashion content here on my channel, so I've got lots of that coming up. The bits I have shopped for, I did in a bit of a mad dash, so I haven't tried any of it on, so you guys are going to be trying everything on with me, which I am excited to share with you. And let me know in the comments, as always, which pieces are your favourite, which bits you think I should keep and return. And yeah, if you like any of them, there is going to be some blog posts coming up featuring some of these items, which is very, very exciting. I have stuff from Forever 21, Zara and Topshop, so let's do this. So kicking things off with Topshop, I actually went to Nordstrom. This bag is a bit crunched because it's been in my trunk. I picked up a couple of pieces from the Topshop section of Nordstrom, and I really like it in there because it's kind of curated, so it's not as overwhelming as Topshop can be. So first up, I have this adorable little skirt from Topshop. It is a pastel pink. I think this is faux leather. In fact, I'm 100% sure this is faux leather, and it has these awesome eyelet detail on it, which I think is so cool. It's nipped in at the waist. It was $65 and I got it in a UK size 6, US size 2, and yeah, I think it's super, super cute. I will see what this is like on, and yeah, if this fits right, I feel like this will be so cute, maybe with some like over the knee boots. And the top I had in mind potentially to go with it is this little grey mile top. It is also from Topshop. It is again in a size 6, and this was on sale for $9.99, and I thought it was really cute. It's like a nice cropped length. I love these kind of like frilly hems, and I thought paired together this could be a super cute outfit. I have some grey booties from Zara that I also thought could look nice with this, or maybe my little pink Converse would look cool. I feel like this would be a really good spring outfit, but let's try this on and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the skirt on. It's a tiny bit big in size, which is a little bit annoying, but it's not uncomfortably big. It doesn't look huge, so I feel like I could get away with it. I have popped on that grey top with it. I really like the fit of this top. It's just like simple. It kind of has a bit of room in it. It's not like skin tight, but it's like nice and fitted. I love the high neck. I love where it falls on the waist. I feel this would look great with jeans. Really, really simple outfit. And yeah, I do really like this skirt. I like the pastel colour. I like the A-lineness. What do you guys think on the fit? I am on the fence, but I do like it a lot. I think this could be a potential keeper. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this one. And then yeah, for shoes, I might put on my Converse, or I could do a little heel and dress it up. Yeah, I'm on the fence. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. My final purchase from Topshop Nordstrom was this dress, which the print, I just can't even. It was so pretty when I saw this. I love all the colours in this. It is a kind of midi length wrap dress. Sometimes wrap dresses can look a little bit frumpy on me because I'm petite, and I'm not like, I haven't got big boobs, so I kind of find sometimes they just end up looking a little bit frumpy, but we'll see what this looks like on. I really love the print. I thought this would look so cool with kind of like some heels and a big hat and a cute bag. There's a bag I got from Zara that I thought would look so cute with this. This one, again, I got it in size 6 and it was $95, and it's the print, really, to be honest. I felt like this could also look really cool as like a jacket, like maybe over jeans. Let's see what it's like on and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so this is the dress. I think I like it, but again, I'm not 100% sure. I feel like if I popped on a pair of like sexy heels and maybe like scrunched the sleeves, it would be good. I feel like this could be really good for a wedding or kind of like some summer events. Like I said, I wonder if I did it just open as well over jeans, it might look good. I kind of wish with this dress a little bit, because it's so much of a print, I wish it had a bit more of a bit of a slit situation going on. I feel like it would open it up a bit more. I also feel like if you had bigger boobs than me, it might fill it out a little bit, so it might kind of have a bit of a cooler look. I do really like this, and I feel like it would be a great dress for me to have in LA, because I feel like I could wear this, like I said, to parties or evening things or day things, throw it on with some trainers. It would also look quite cool. I think this is going to be a keeper for me. Let me know in the comments what you think. I really love the print. That's the bit I'm just completely obsessed with. I can't get enough of it. I love all the colour mixed together, and the pops of pink and the coral and the red. I feel like there's so many different ways I could like style this. So yeah, I think think this one is a keeper. What do you guys think? Okay, moving on to Zara. I have a massive bag from Zara. They have their sale on right now, and they always do these like plasticky bags when they have the sale on. I never really understand like the logic behind that, but they do. Anyway, first up, this bag, it's amazing. I died when I saw this. How freaking cute is this? I love straw bags at the moment, and this little handle with this cute like tie on it. This came on it, I didn't put it on. And then inside there is, let me find it, there's a chain which you can attach, and this was $45.90. and yeah, I just think, oh, so cute with that bag, with that dress. I'm obsessed with this. This I feel like I have to keep. Let me know what you guys think. And then the other bag that I got, because I thought, oh, it was so cute. I kind of am going through a phase of like I'm bored of all the bags I have, so I was looking for a couple of new ideas. This one I'm not 100% on, and I'd love to get your guys' opinion. It's kind of Chanel-esque with this like boucle fabric on it with the pearls and the fringe, but I really liked the colours. I thought this would look really cool with jeans. It's just and I love the silver hardware. You can wear this like long, or you can double it up and make it shorter. It's quite a big size of a bag for me. I know it looks tiny, but on me I kind of like my littler bags. But let me know what you guys think of this one. It was again $49.50, which I think is a really good price for a cute bag, and I like the sparkle in it. It would be a good kind of like day to night bag. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of that one. And then, oh, I love this. So I'm not sure what this is going to look like on. It could either look like a maternity tent on me, or it could look super cool. So this is an oversized shirt from Zara. Oh, sorry, it's a bit creased from the bag. But I really liked all the embroidery details on it. I got it in an extra small. It was again $45.90. Don't really know why everything's the same price from Zara, but it is. But I really like the print, and it's kind of longer in the back and shorter in the front. You'll see this better when it's on, and it has these kind of like, I don't know what it's called, but it's like, I always think of the like painter. It's like a painter shirt, I feel like I would call this, and it has this kind of turn up. Could be really cool, could be really weird, but let's try it on and see what we think. Okay, so this shirt is probably not going to be something I keep. I don't like the kind of width of it. I feel like it just is a bit too oversized on me. I'm not tall enough for it to be kind of like top. If it was like here and then went down, I feel like it would look good. Maybe it would look good tucked in. I don't know, I feel like it's just very oversized with the print on the shoulders, and yeah, I'm not, and the sleeves, I just feel like everything just looks super oversized. I just throw it on with some jeans just to kind of give a look of how I would style it, but yeah, I'm not a fan of this. Probably gonna be a no. Okay, then I have been wanting a Baker Boy hat for a while now, and I saw this one and I thought the red would be a real statement. What do we think? I think it's so cute. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, and yeah, I kind of wanted, if I was gonna do a Baker Boy, I kind of wanted something that was a bit of a statement to go with outfits. It would look super cute with this dress, actually. This dress, by the way, is from Toby.com. I'll be sure to link it down below. Shall I stand up and show you? It's got like these little fluted sleeves. This is not in my haul, but I got it quite recently. And it's got this nice snipped in waist, and it's got like a frilly bit at the bottom. But yeah, the hat from Zara, so friggin' cute. I think I'm definitely gonna keep this. I feel like it's a bit puffy on my head, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. I am kind of in love with it, with a red lip. Ooh, I could just totally see this working. Okay, so this as an outfit is so cute. I've been looking for some like wide leg, comfy knit trousers for ages, and well, quite frankly, these are them. So this is gonna be super hard to show, but you'll see it when I try them on. These are wide leg trousers, they're knitted, and then they're completely just black. These come, I think, in like a white or a cream as well, but they're super, super wide leg, but I just loved the way they looked. I just feel like these are gonna look amazing on and make such a statement. They are $69.90, and I got them in a size small. I feel like this waistband's probably gonna be a tiny bit big on me, but these are the sort of trousers that I could like roll over, and I feel like the fit will be fine. But obsessed with these, I think they're so cool. And to go with them, there was a top kind of matching, hanging with it, and I couldn't resist because I love anything matching. And the top was this. It is the same like knitted fabric, but it has these kind of red and cream detail on the sleeves. This I feel like would look great with like just jeans as well, but it's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And this again, I got in a small and it was $29.90 as a little outfit, maybe with the Baker Boy hat. You guys, I think that's going to be such a cute little look. I think it'll look great with like trainers, like white trainers or some heels. I just feel like this is such a like comfy, good work outfit or something like that. Love, love, love. This I love. I love these trousers. They fit so nice. I don't know if you can see, they're like super wide leg. Like I say, I turned over the waistband so then it doesn't fit me as high. It fits like nicely on my hips, which is absolutely fine with a pair of trousers like this. You really can't tell. I do that with a lot, by the way, a lot of trousers as a trick. And I think this would be a little bit on the crop side, and they finish in quite a nice place on me. They're like, can you see there? They're right on the floor. So with a nice heel, they'd look great. Maybe with a train or something, I'd have to shorten them, but I really like them. I love the fit of this knitted top. It feels really like thick and luxurious. I feel like I could wear this like on the plane or just to like work or something. I just absolutely love this. I feel like this is such an outfit. I feel like so comfortable in this. If you're having one of those messy days, you could wear this because it's like nice and stretchy but still looks like chic. And what I like about it is you get this like shape with the top and then you get the shape with the bottom. You could totally also wear these trousers just with a simple tee or with a shirt, and yeah, this top will also work with some other things as well. I really, really like this outfit. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this. So finally, Forever 21, again, I have a giant bag. I got a few interesting bits from Forever 21. So I've been looking for, as you can tell with the wide leg trousers, I want some alternatives to jeans because I feel like I live in my jeans. I like wearing trousers a lot at the moment. Not sure why, but I'm really into them, and I wanted some alternatives. So I saw these and I saw them on the mannequin and I think they're so cute. They're just plain striped. They've got a little bit of stretch to them, but they are so cute. They've kind of got this like open bit at the bottom. These are going to be full length on me, and I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be cropped, so we'll see what they look like. But I love the striped detail, and I'll probably just try them on with a black top. Really like them. Obsessed. If I didn't do a plain black top, I was thinking maybe something like this would work really well as an outfit. This is a little cropped shirt, but I loved this detail where it's just pre-tied for you. Oh my gosh, they're so creased from being in the bag. But it's got this kind of like knot detail in the front, and I actually picked this up in a medium, which will be a little bit oversized on me, but I kind of like that. I wanted it to be like, you know, not too like fitted cropped. I want it to be like bunchy and then just nip in a little bit at the waist. Yeah, I really like this shirt. It was $15.90, which I think is a bargain, as always for everyone. I think this would be really cute just in the summer with lots of things, so we'll try those two on together. And then these boots, oh my god, you guys, how adorable are these? They're not real leather, they're faux. They're patent looking, they're so cool. I'm obsessed with the heel on these. These I've slipped on just to kind of see what they would look like. I got these in a 6.5, which is my usual size. Oh, the tag has ripped. It's inside the shoe. They were $34.90. I mean, what a bargain. I think they're just so chic. They're like, oh, I just am obsessed with them. I just think they look really cool, really expensive. I love the exaggerated point on them, but I'm going to wear them with so many things. I'm going to try them on with the striped trousers. Let's see what that whole outfit looks like together. Oh, I feel like it's a winner. Okay, so I want to love these trousers, but I'm not 100% sold. What do you guys all think? They're a bit too long, and they're like kind of fitted, but also like, can you see there? They're kind of not at the same time. So I don't know like 100% if I've got the fit right. I also am not sure about this top. I liked the idea of it being like loose and oversized, but kind of not like super tight. But I kind of just feel like it's doing nothing for me. Now, however, the boots I'm obsessed with. I think these are so cute. They're really comfortable. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of these. I don't know if you can see there where they finish on me, but they're just adorable. I really like the heel. Typically I wouldn't go for something as high on the ankle as this, but I actually think because they're so narrow, they work really well. They'll look great with dresses and skirts. and also with jeans I think they'll look great. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on these trousers. I think I like them, but I don't know. The top is definitely a no. This is just like oversized in a way that like doesn't flatter me, but yeah, these trousers, not sure. My obsession with trousers and flares continues. I picked up these trousers from Forever 21 as well. They are size small and they are $24.90. They are really simple, but I just feel like are gonna look so chic on. They're wide leg, but they're more of a like fit and flare, where the Zara ones were like, woof, like straight out, really wide leg. These have more some shape to them. They're really high waisted, and I just think these are gonna look amazing on. I'm so pumped to wear these. And then to go with them, I had in mind this little top. It's just a really simple green coloured t-shirt, and it says Los Angeles on it, and I thought maybe tied with the orange trousers could look really cool. This was $9.90, and these t-shirts are like so soft. They feel so comfy on, and yeah, I just can't get enough. I think this is gonna look so cute. Okay, so I love these trousers, but I'm majorly gonna have to have them tailored if I want to keep them. If I hold them in, you can kind of get a see of what the shape would be like. They're so cool. They're really comfortable. I love the flare. I'd have to get the hems taken up as well, but as an outfit, I just think this is so fun, and I would definitely wear this all the time. I also really like this tee. I've just tied it to kind of give you a vibe of how I would wear it with this. I also think this would look great with jeans. Yeah, this is such a cute outfit, but I have to make the decision whether I want to get these tailored, which, you know, gotta have a good tailor when you're short, but yeah. I really like this otherwise. So cute. And then my final purchase in this haul, my final Forever 21 purchase, is this jumpsuit. I have been kind of looking for more, like I say, trouser pieces, and this just totally spoke to me. It has these amazing back-wing sleeves, and then this cool tie belt that just whips around the edge, and then they're cropped wide leg trousers. I mean, you guys, this is amazing. What I love about this, it has no zip or belt or anything. No, it has no zip or anything to fasten it. However, it just has this like attached belt, so you can nip in the waist as much as you want, and then it will look like oversized and cool. And this was $27.90, which I think is a great price for a jumpsuit. I think it'll look so cool with just trainers and a little backpack or something. Boom, done, out the door. Let's see what this looks like on. I'm pretty confident this is gonna look so cute. Okay, this jumpsuit is so cute and comfortable. I love it. Like I say, it's cropped on me, which is great. I'm 5'2", but on most people I feel like it would finish about there, which I might actually have it shortened to because I like it that much. And I love this like big ring tie. What I love about it is, look, I'll show you. If it's not done up, this jumpsuit's quite like ill-fitting and loose. Once it's on, it just really cinches in the waist and gives such a nice shape. It's kind of 80s, but really cool. This is something I would totally wear here in LA, and it's a great like transitional piece. I feel like you could dress this up with some heels and some big statement earrings to go out for the night, or you could wear it with some trainers in the day, maybe a little leather jacket over the top. I feel like would work because these sleeves are like thin enough, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I absolutely love this one, and for $27, I think this is such a like statement, cool outfit that I just feel so comfortable in. Yes, yes, yes. Alright you guys, well that is it. That is it for my haul. Let me know what you think I should keep, what should I return, down in the comments below, and what was your favourite piece from this haul. I love hearing from you guys. Also let me know what other types of video you want to see here on my channel, and don't forget to check the description for the links to everything that you saw in this video, including what I'm wearing. I always link all my stuff down there. And if you're not following me on Instagram, head over and follow me. I'm always sharing all of my outfits on there, and yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go now, you guys, and I will see you in my next one.